How to reset Roblox password. Let's see in this video. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your preferred browser on your PC. After that, you need to click on the search bar and search for roblox.com. Once you search and enter Roblox, you'll be taken to the official web page of Roblox. So here you can see the sign up option and login option also. Since we are trying to reset the password of the account that we already have, you have to go for login option in the right upper corner. And from over here, you need to enter your username and password associated with your Roblox account. But in order to reset your password, you have to go for forget password or username option at the button. And after that, you have to enter your email address over here in which you want to receive the code or something like for resetting your password. After entering, simply go for submit. You can also use your phone number to reset your password. For that, you can click over here. After that, email has been sent, so you have to simply click on OK over here and you have to check your email. So that here you can see I have received an email from Roblox where there is a reset password option. You have to simply click on that. You will be able to see the text fields over here. So finally you can create a new password over here, but before that you need to make sure that you have to create a new password. You cannot use your old password. So in order to create a password, you can simply click on there and you can enter the password. And finally, after submitting, the password has been changed and you can see my account has been logged in once again. So this is how you reset Roblox password. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more updates from us. Thanks for watching.